You leaving?
Alright, scared, man.
Yeah. J-Ray, where you going? Hey, J-Ray! Why are you leaving? We just blame it all on AT, man.
Ain't nothing but a poop right there. How the fuck you know? Why you been working on the Sunday this close? Yeah, what he doing? He not no cop or
He services and he came from that side. I said I didn't know that thing was open over there. Yeah.
Senior, right?
This is senior. He came from over there though. I didn't know that door was open.
When I spit, I jammed that.
Cause we all came to the front, and I know we always leave the front open, but I didn't know the back was open. AT, man.
Hey, man, that one time,
I need you making hoop sticks.
Hey, man, one time AT Leon broke the glass and shit over there.
Oh, I do remember that.
Somebody dropped his ass off. He got all pissed off and shit.
Didn't y'all just win again though?
Me too, man. Hey, you trying to go to jail?
Didn't y'all win again?
Yeah, man.
I didn't break the glass.
That was terrible.
He said
He didn't break the glass.
I didn't break the glass. But chin.
Shut up.
They already gave you a senior hammer, dog. You can go ahead and piss up all that shit, man.
Come here, girl.
Let's just blame it all on AT. He be in trouble anyway.
You know what I'm saying? I still got 2 more to give.
2 more stripes?
Hey,
We finna blame you. Just blame on the rest.
Pluck one off me too. Who want a stripe, man?
Where y'all get ready to go?
We go to TGI.
Why? Hell no, I got 3 assignments due tonight. What's wrong with you? You ain't in class like me.
Yeah, man.
No, I'm in another class too. I ain't just in math. Blah.
Man, do all your homework, man. Do all your homework for the love.